Arc fault circuit interrupters or AFCIs are required for branch circuits serving bedrooms, including guest rooms, family rooms, dining rooms, living rooms, parlors, libraries, dens, sunrooms, closets, hallways and corridors according to the 2020 National Electrical Code. AFCIs can be installed without any wiring changes. There are several types of AFCIs available that can be easily installed in existing electrical panels. These include dual-function circuit breakers. These breakers combine an AFCI with a standard circuit breaker. They can be used as a direct replacement for existing circuit breakers without any additional wiring. Some electrical panels have built-in AFCIs. These load centers can be installed to replace existing panels and provide AFCI protection for all branch circuits. There are plug-on AFCIs. These devices plug into standard 120-volt outlets and provide AFCI protection for the appliances plugged into them. AFCIs are designed to trip in the presence of dangerous electrical arcs. However, they can sometimes trip nuisance trips due to harmless noises or electromagnetic interference. If an AFCI trips frequently, it may be necessary to identify and eliminate the cause of the nuisance tripping. This may involve inspecting the wiring for loose connections or damage, checking for nearby sources of electromagnetic interference such as cordless phones or fluorescent lighting, and replacing the AFCI with a different brand or model. It is important to follow all manufacturers' instructions for installing and testing AFCIs. AFCIs should never be bypassed. If an AFCI trips, it is essential to determine the cause of the tripping and take appropriate corrective action.